Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So today we are making carrot cake. I have here the all-purpose flour I'm going to use. I have eggs. These are just few of the ingredients. The main thing here is the carrot I want to show you. I have my carrots here. I'll go ahead now. First of all, wash, scrape, clean the carrots and grate it. We're going to grate the carrot. You can blend it if you want, but I want to grate it so that we can be getting the pieces of carrots in the cake. You're done cleaning the carrots. It is now time to grate them, and I'll be using this my grater. I'll be using this to grate. So I'm done grating the carrots. Add the other ingredients. We already have, I transferred my flour. I've already sifted the flour into this. I'll be using 2 eggs. I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll leave all the ingredients in the description box below. And I have a lot of other ingredients to be adding to this. Here I have half cup of white sugar and half cup of brown sugar. I have a nutmeg, cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and nutmeg. I have baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. You can call that 1/4 teaspoon. I have half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I have 1 cup of milk. I have 1 cup of vegetable oil. You can use melted butter or any oil of your choice. And I have just this little carrot juice. You can use orange juice. This is about 100 ml of carrot juice. So we have all the ingredients together. Let's get started. I'll start by mixing the dry ingredients first. Baking powder, baking soda, then I'll set this aside. And I will start. I've already cracked the eggs into a separate plate. I'll pour all of them together. I'll also pour the sugar. And I'll use my I'll add oil. I'll add the vanilla essence and the carrot juice. It's now time to add our flour. Now add the flour little by little. I'll add the remaining one. Use this thing. I'll add the little of the milk. Use 2 cups of carrots, grated carrots. I will now transfer to my baking pan, which I've already oiled. The cake is done. So when it cools down, I will bring it out. Oh, this is our carrot cake.